Lord Jesus. Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. So for over Christmas, we went to our friend's family farm where we went yabbying. So yabbies, I'll chuck a picture up here, thank you. Yabbies are a freshwater crustacean or a crayfish. So I'm going to show you how we caught them, how we prepped them, and then a little bit of a recipe of what we made out of them as well. Like and subscribe. Let's get it started.
Oh, brilliant!
I am the strongest woman this state has ever seen.
What you do is pop in a bone with some meat on it. We've used lamb ribs here because we're on a lamb farm, so quite easy to come by.
My aggressive nails, very appropriate for this situation. Alright, hold this.
Pop that into a little net inside. The yabbies go in, they try and clean it, and then they stay in that net, in the basket.
It does.
I can't get it in.
That's what she said. You helping, Rock?
Who is the yabby extraordinaire? It me. You?
The following day.
We go and retrieve the baskets, pull them out, open them up, and the yabbies will try and scurry away. Got to pick them up behind their claws that do give a bit of a nasty pinch if they get you. Throw any back that have eggs. Make sure you check for the eggs. Any that are too small we'll throw back as well. The others will just pop in the bucket and fill with water.
No, he doesn't have any eggs.
It's a hay.
You're fucked up, you mate.
Asshole.
You're
Now someone's gonna have to help me because they're all gonna move at once.
Go, Alex. You got it.
Quick as fuck.
Rocky,
No
over
eggs.
here.
To get them prepped before cooking, we're going to tip out the dirty water from the dam. It's quite murky. We're going to fill it up with fresh water. The yabbies clean themselves, so they filter water through themselves, clean all the dirt out, any grit and any murky dam water. We're going to do that a couple of times over a few hours period, making sure that they're in a cooler place, just so that they don't start to pop. To cook them, you'll cook them the same as you would a lobster. So we're going to put them in live into boiling water with a little bit of salt. Cook them until they are all red. Only takes a couple of minutes. Murdering.
Call me.
You reckon they've been in there long enough?
It's not very loud.
Alright.
Is that good enough?
Yeah. I mean, they'll keep cooking. I don't really know. We've never timed it before.
Next up, I got Alex and Ella to shell all of the yabbies for me. The meat is all located in the tail and the claws. For the claws especially, you will need a nutcracker because they're quite tough to get through. Peel them up, pull out the poo shoots, rinse them, and then you can chop them up.
Nice.
So with our yabbies that we caught, we made a linguine. So I used a lot more linguine than I had for the yabbies, but it was still delicious. So the sauce was 6 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 chilli, fried them up with the zest of a lemon. Then I added in the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of dill. Added in the yabbies with a pinch of salt and pepper. Then added in the linguine. Good to serve with our seafood feast. Thanks for that, team. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.